So I said today we are going to talk about other hardware because it's EEE 427. Alright? Right? So now we are talking about the RAM and common problems with RAMs. So you can jot down those aspects. Then we are going to look at which other common problem with RAM. Which other one? I think we have covered all the few problems that RAM usually have. The other aspect is incompatible RAM. I've mentioned that. Yes, incompatible RAM. Incompatibility. Why can we encounter incompatibility issue? Reason being this: your motherboard is designed to operate, to transmit data at a particular speed. It's fixed. It cannot be extended more than what is designed with it. And RAM also is designed to transmit data at a particular speed. So they must be at the same, range or speed. Otherwise, they will not work together. Look, for instance, if your RAM is meant to transmit bits at a rate of maybe 32 bits or 64 bits, if the motherboard is not designed to be so, maybe there's a motherboard, while the RAM can operate at 64 bits, motherboard can operate at 32 bits, then there's a problem. Incompatibility. And then we have so many generation of RAM. We have DDRAM, SDRAM, DDRAM1, DDRAM2, DDRAM blah, 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 blah. All those generations, they have their own specifications. And so, not everyone will be compatible with the other. Then, incompatibility can also come in terms of the physical structure. When you pick a RAM module, you usually something like this. You remember something like this is usually there. Who remember this thing? There's something like this on the RAM. That's a notch. This notch and even the length of the RAM is not always the same. And that is a factor of the form factor of the motherboard. The motherboard form factor is having something to do with that, the structure of the RAM. So the motherboard form factor has something to do with the structure of the RAM. It has something to do with the structure of the RAM. So the length, the dimensions of the RAM has to be compatible with what? The motherboard. The motherboard. Otherwise, you cannot just go to market and say, I want to upgrade my RAM, and go to the market without taking the one you are using or without carrying the motherboard. You cannot just go to the market and go to the supplier there and buy RAM. You just come back, you see that your RAM cannot even fit into the motherboard. Incompatibility. Physical incompatibility because of the form factor. So, apart from the speed, the electronic speed at which it transmits signal, which is designed with it, even physically, there can be compatibility. Okay? So that is that. That is RAM.